Are skinny jeans making a comeback this year? Or better question, have they ever gone out of trend? Well, let's get to the bread and butter of this video and see if they ever went out of style. So for the past 3 years, I witnessed how many men's fashion influencers either talk ill about skinny jeans or deviate from ever touching skinny jeans because it felt like it was a sin wearing a pair of skinny jeans recently. Honestly, I am one of those who stayed away from wearing skinny jeans, not because I hated it, but it just felt wrong wearing it. Maybe I blame the algorithm, or maybe many brands just stopped catering skinny jeans out there. I can't really find a reason why, but I happened to search the word skinny jeans through Google Trends versus baggy jeans, straight jeans, and even slim fit jeans, and you notice how the word skinny jeans had the highest trend among all those fits throughout many years, and yet it seemed like nobody cared about it in the past recent years. Maybe many women were searching those words, so I specifically added the word men in each one, and it has the same results. So I compared this data to what I see in real life every day and through my social media, and the results are totally opposite. I barely see anyone wearing skinny jeans at all. Well, I do see it on the ladies, but not for men. And now these days, a lot of us prefer comfort, and that's why men prefer loose-fitting clothes in which skinny jeans do not provide those. I even look up recent runways and see if they talk about skinny fit at all, and the results were none. So what does all this research tell me? This tells me that skinny jeans or skinny fitting pants will not be on the top of the trend this year. This is how trends work, and influencers and celebrities have a big influence on how we style. So unless celebrities and brands start catering towards the skinny jeans market, skinny jeans will not make it to the spotlight this year. I am aware skinny jeans have been a staple fashion for a long time, but we know fashion evolved, and it just happened that we are on this relaxed, loose fit trend. Listen, at the end of the day, it is up to you to decide what to wear. If skinny jeans are still your style, makes you look good and gives you comfort, then feel free to rock it with confidence. Don't let anybody get in your way with your happiness. How about you guys? Do you think skinny jeans are making a comeback this year? Drop a comment below and let me know. And as always, have a good day, everyone. Stay stylish and stay amazing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.